What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna do the intro quick and fast my people. So here we go on. The lion man in one little controversy, one little something. You know man, JABASS them will ramp on them way and rare. Batty allegation my people. So I'm gonna share that with Uno. We also have JABASS expose Frass. Frass must go beg one woman must tissue or something. Yo, may I tell you, yo, when it comes to the lion man, Frass, JABASS, I don't lie my people. I love to see them, them look rare. Because it's very entertaining and funny, your friend. You see me I say? Also, we have Shibada and Macy and thing the Sky Diamond. At it, my people. You see me? So, I remember, oh, we have King Tavi girlfriend. You see me I say breakdown pan life or crash out. We don't know what I want to call it. And she a ball me people. And the red eye filter what them have on TikTok. And that the girl have over here, the red eye filter. So me I wonder if this girl here and King Tavi plan all of them something here. And that me I wonder, or I just cloud the two of them and look differently. Them separated but them a look cloud same way. So me don't understand how a person feel say them a cry and put on the red eye filter to make it more dramatic. A movie. This is a movie my people. TikTok is Netflix. Is the new Netflix. So everybody will have Netflix subscription, cancel that. I know see a TikTok the thing there. Eh? So I don't know where I left out my people, but we could get tonight.
Anywho, will you be involved in a skin bleaching documentary for Jamaica? One of my friends are coming down there and I recommended you.
Side. How that talk?
She's a millionaire, yeah.
Yeah, we not, brother, we not talk about. You're a party man. We have to you go buy one car. You see man and I chat about the millionaire. You know I'm not alive. Cause Jayden, they want to buy you a car.
No, money better a house.
Jayden, Ziggy say why you want to buy one car. You buy a rig. I want girls say Ziggy can't wait to Ziggy buy one car.
Yo, laugh for that. Yo. Bybz, you on a crown today?
What kind?
Crown dog, crown.
You must have crown. Me ask you what kind. You have athlete, royal, RS. You have crown executive. You have some new crown and not really there. I'm going to show you one of them.
Yeah, show me them, bro. Show me them.
There are one and not two there, boy.
No, man, that's two there. That's
what you mean two there?
No, man, buy them, bro.
So what year you want?
Huh?
What year you want? Me I want 2017 athlete turbo. You want it? Hold on, let me show you. How you laugh so dog? You batty?
Sorry. No, son.
You move like a union Ziggy and keep everybody registry.
Stop your batty joke, no brother. You know the pandemic thing that getting another. How much you
How much you have? Me and your friend.
1.5.
Let's go buy a fuck off a Ziggy.
Binds.
No, sorry,
Binds.
No, man.
Binds, dog.
A joke.
Yo, how much for that?
Eh? A 3.2 for. Me give you 3.1.
Binds, I am dog.
So, alright. You can't give me 3 mil.
No, dog, you lick your fucking head. 3 mil? You lick your fucking head. Me I want ask you, me can't give you 3 mil. You ask you one of them markets there, you know?
Alright, so, what's that now? Probably the girl that can help me with the 100k, you see?
With the who?
It's 100k extra, like you said, 3.1.
Big Z! Wait till that. Oh, I saw you go. I 100K done already.
Bynds, you say your body a show off your mouse. You feel like more show off my house.
Ziggy, you can buy a car and live in your car first. Your first house. Hey, bills to live in my car now, Ziggy.
So big seed.
We can't do that.
Oh,
You good answer?
yeah. Me a listen rich
Hold on,
people
hold on.
business.
Huh?
Me a listen rich people business.
Oh, yeah, man, you have 100K, man. I can't talk, man. See you there.
Done with that.
See you there. See you
But
there.
Jayden,
Huh?
you know Miss Big C?
Yo, what John know, man, yo? Brother, every time I come over here, dog, I always me at the topic. Why
Alright,
me?
alright. Let's be honest.
Yeah, brother, just let you. Cause I always me, dog. I never see you.
Oh,
me,
Mira,
brother.
you think you're newly wedded to say you have to know what you're saying. Mira,
Music video. Yeah, man, start them thing, there, bro.
you're newly wedded. That's how your marriage life so far now.
In the sort of like one barber shop. Ziggy, where I did?
There and I'm front, where I did it.
There I am in front, be there, you know. You see it. You know what, Ziggy, you know what we talk about topic there, because the band's there, you know.
Which topic?
You know what we talk. Name front.
Oh, Ziggy can you post it too? Yeah! Oh, you see Ziggy? Me didn't know why not, because Ziggy makes snow come to Jamaica and you make snow.
As Ziggy do that?
Yes! Ziggy don't make snow come to Jamaica.
How much somebody have snow? Me confused.
Why? Ziggy make cold front reach before cold front there. That's one.
Yo, Bynds. Make him understand some white girl you talk, man.
Yeah, why? Oh! No, I don't fear one. I don't fear one, Jayden. I don't fear snow.
I know my one.
Yes, no, brother.
I'll for one.
Yo, wait a minute, no, that's
I'll for one, Jayden.
no, that's come
Who
on,
must know you are not talk about Jayden? Who must know you are talk about? Cause you're coward. You're fucked. You know, Bynds. Who must know you are talk now? Cause me have my snow, you know.
So Ziggy have any girl when name snow, me not chat to that.
You can't brighty, but snow a white girl. White Canadian. White.
Last time I see snow, I never white girl.
Go lick out the boy with this in the pussy. But snow white. Why you can use your
I
snow?
like big seed, I like big seed.
Oh, your snow for biggie balls.
I know my snow.
Yes, snow. Your snow for biggie balls. Blood clot, yeah.
Ziggy, I know my snow. Stop that.
Now, lad.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more, cause I don't know, say I be a vibes when especially the Lion Man and Ziggy link up. Be a drama and problem. Make you watch some more, people.
Oh, that's fun.
Wanna go over there and tell him? Wanna go over there and tell him? But now I look over here, you know. My name is my car.
Tell me,
Wanna go over there and tell him?
No, we're not safe.
True. I saw a link stop.
Better do bomber clap mix me now.
No, you said they were not safe as he so me ask me saw a link stop, you know.
Me don't know what you talk about, you know, dog.
You know what me I talk about, man.
You know what you talk about, dog.
How you bring it up in a around 3 you know, see that sweater, you can't change it.
Low me sweater alone.
Yeah, that's sweater there, bro.
Low my, no worry about my sweater.
Yeah,
Just know
that's
say me have enough clothes. I will wear anything I want to wear.
You full of chatty. This
Jayden, find any girl in her life just a close so come like how you did that hold him down.
What?
Yeah, you know to find any girl if your girl get all visa.
Give me that visa before me.
Eh?
Give me that visa before me.
Well, that they say how you did that hold down Big C and then say how you did that hold down Ashley too.
Alright, what's your topic now before me, you see? Ziggy, who is that one?
What topic is about then? I'll tell you what me hear.
Me don't want no rose.
Ziggy, about Ziggy Bynds.
Ziggy. They say Ziggy are only what they call Ziggy, they say Ziggy a batty partner and keep all batty registry. Any little batty business I go on Ziggy have a partner draft it. Ziggy always have a body draw. You know everything we are going on body cam.
Just true, them come to me say I take one on IG. Jayden, them catch mine, I take one Batman over IG.
No, me not take
and come tell me. I put away with you. And the girl them tell me,
mute him them, mute him them, man. Watch it up, man.
So what you text the Batman and beg him? Because he remember say you text Batman and say thank you, baby, you know. You text the Batman and say thank you, baby. And they have screenshot about it. They have no screenshot if I text the Batman.
John know that.
John over.
The only thing they can say is me a scroll through and see picture and like it. But me don't know say about it, man. He don't tell me I go back go look panic good and me say job one tough.
and the girl them say, my say no post it. I will say anytime. And
man just man go say my girl. How about this?
Jayden.
Ziggy, remember say my head top boss.
Yeah, man, I want head top boss. But remember say your Boaz and Batman in a one, not no wicked like you.
You see that? Ziggy, remember
see, JABASS most of the secret, Jayden. JABASS most of the secret.
But say you make Yankee say Jay.
Anami.
JABASS most of the secret, Jayden.
Ziggy.
Anami. My name Carlos Wilson. Anami.
JABASS most of the secret. Ball.
Anami. Him could have said
Yeah, you the best.
Rascal. Guilty and charged.
Why Jay?
Watch out, take off your thumb now, lady. Lady, take off your thumb now. Take off your thumb now, lady. Watch out. Ziggy, listen up. Listen to my yo. Men buy no dog. Men buy no bro. I call us Wilson my name.
AKA Jay.
JABASS tell me.
JABASS we are touch look up in can't send on board nobody.
I will look up in the JABASS for.
JABASS we grip can't send nobody.
JABASS most of the secret. But you see it. My ball. Oh, yo. Man, the Jayden I look a joke, me run. You don't run joke. Ball. Fuck you.
Yankee bet. You see Yankee here that I no contact. Say a lie. Yankee bet you near amount of more and a coolest finger. You bet you near amount of more man. That make you know. Coolest finger.
Man, but the Jayden, oh you watch Yankee, I do that and I show the action.
Man, because you watch Yankee and bubble per finger like a pole.
So Ziggy, if me never watch it, we don't know what I'm doing.
Man, you watch it and I show the action to the people.
Ziggy, you have to watch it if you bring him down.
No, you watch it too much time. Jayden, you watch a video about 10
Right, Annie tell me.
Yeah,
Annie tell me.
Jayden, you watch it about 10 times.
That's true.
So you watch a video come like a would thief for you.
No, because I can't believe, sir. I can't believe, dog. You see it?
If you couldn't believe you that Europe and kick off, you say, I can't believe this.
Ziggy, let me tell you something, Ziggy. I said, if you put your hand in your own bottom, that don't mean you're a batty man.
What?
Wait there.
If you put your hand in your own bottom, that don't mean you're a batty man, man, yo.
That means you're regular your finger yourself.
No.
You're a batty boy, regular your pedal and wheel to, you know. The next one, your pedal and wheel to, you know, batty man. You're a batty man, you know.
We're not proof it, no.
Never say a long time when you say, but for your pedal and wheel different, you know, because your pedal and wheel pan paintbrush. You know paintbrush big. You know paintbrush big boy. And your pedal and wheel pan paintbrush.
Bad man, listen now. I'm gonna tell you, bro. Oh, the only part would have No.
Why is that? You know that's no batty guy.
No, but for real, bro. If the man shoot the hand in the bottom, bro, that don't mean say the man.
No, if you want him, I see him cabana.
The man apologize himself. But I can't go say, yo, Jay. Let's see, that my body him out.
But he shouldn't call your name. He should have just do it and think about your name, but he shouldn't call you out loud.
I'm alone. I'm in name J.
Are you man did that thought, Jayden? Are you man?
NC J that pick up. NC J that
Oh, no,
pick
you
up.
have to figure it out.
Meet me by the river.
I'm a dog that's in a
Me know, man. I am in Macho Yankee. Big battery squad. Yeah.
Boys that good duck, you can live far down there, man. No?
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll make you watch some more and then move on to the next.
You're good. So, Bartz, how me get one piece of this of a red? Cause you know more move.
Right now, we can sell a piece of Milan.
Bartz, more move.
Yeah, but we can sell a piece of Milan, man.
Come on, some piece of land, man, so we can count
Tell
out.
us when we can buy a sell come down a batty man near to me. Me have to go send you down the road. Me want a batty boy live near to me. We can't buy that sell.
Oh, you look so in a foreign. Oh, you look so in a foreign, darling. Big seed. Give me with me.
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Big seed. Big seed, how are you?
Big thing.
I want to do me.
Is this
How
love?
are you? How are you?
Oh, me did mute you. And then say unmute you.
Mute before.
Call me mute you.
I must say mine's funny or fuck.
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Boy, Bartz, I will per customer, I say I get that. That means I will per money then, dog.
Eh?
You see? I will per customer, I say I get, you see?
No, yeah, man, me I get couple customer, more do man get couple more. Me have to try a thing, you know, remember say, when me come over here, then I give me nothing like how they give you, you know, so me have to try a thing,
So, Bartz, where you get them money them from for buy them?
let me get them money. Boy, first time you see me how much money you see me with the first time, you know me.
Bro, $10 million.
Alright, I carry myself from them this time there. So me don't know what you are going to tell me, sir.
Yeah, but how you get them money if you sell them car?
Father rich man. Everybody know that. My father have garage, car wash, all of them they sitting there. My father sell
Oh, your
car.
father.
And my father
So
give
your
me one
father-
car to sell.
oh.
And I sell the car and give me buy 2 car, sell that by 3, sell that by 4. Me don't know how much me I know.
But, man, I don't want this figure it out, you see?
Eh?
I don't want this figure it
You
out.
hear me on this nobody? Me I ask you one question. Cause you guys say in the jail. So me have to ask.
Okay.
One boy business. When I tell you to one already back in boy man. One boy business, pussy.
Big seed.
What is Ziggy Wi-Fi in idea, yeah?
I think you all are comfortable with.
You earthy girl, Jayden.
We are talking about binds over there, dog.
You earthy girl, that's what the girl pussy too hard like you want to pull down the clip.
No, some never do that too. She never like them, so them answer.
So that's why you left, I put the name of pussy in peace.
She don't like them thing, them man, master, man, I tell you. Me did try.
You try. What you do?
But she did work.
So Jayden, let me ask you a question. You know what I say, alright, for your mouth set sideways, so with one lip at top and one lip at sound. Pussy said sideways, so one lip at left, one lip at right. So you and pussy, you turn the head sideways, so if you kiss the pussy, make feel lip touch it to pussy lip them, so.
Depends on how it turn.
Return.
Cause remember, so you kind of straight up. It's straight up.
So that me I say you don't have to turn, so.
No man, boys. You do it in a direction where you pum pum there.
Ask Biggie.
I'll ask Ziggy. So Ziggy, how you eat from? Oh God, you get spoon.
Gone.
Restart, bro, restart.
Gone.
Bumbo clap,
What was the
man.
one?
No, even we put we picnic on the media, they're innocent.
page and I wasn't a fan. And my mother used to draw me back at you. And I sit down and watch you play them. That's what I know about you. I don't even watch you over here. I don't even watch you over here, to tell you the truth. Me don't watch you. So you mean if you tell me say 45, 50, 60, some people say 60, some people say 50, some people say 45, I don't know. But you need to tell me say you waste all those years of your life if you come on TikTok. Remember you know Shibada, remember you bring down everybody on TikTok, you know. So we not on a life. We are play a game. We are beg. You would have never this. You would have never that. But when me type in your name, when me type in my name and everybody else blood clot name, you are make more than one heap of them. We are play a game on TikTok. So make it make blood clot sense. You know, have your moderator going at the people in bumbo clot box and tell them to come shoot for you. Eh? Make it make bumbo clot sense. What are we over here? We are getting paid. Our fans like we, they like what we do and they support us. Shut the fuck up. Some of we are getting genuine, some of we are clean card, some of we are blood clot thief. Shibada, you're not different from the rest of people over this blood clot. I mean now go say you're clean card. You have your moderator them are going at the bumble clad people them with big badge we coming for your life and I demand them to come give and what kind of blood clot gift to come give you. Say what I want to depend up I do dirty work in this. You depend your life I demand big gifting badge because 10 years you not do it you know because you don't want to get the bring down. So you put your moderator them on the spot. Yeah, send your moderator them. I with a man them. I with a man name. Where the lady will link me with you and tell me say, Shibada, never going on my blood clot DM. You have your people them, your moderator, one man moderator where you have over there. You have him I go in a people DM we come for your life and when you don't know the people them with big gifting badge and I tell the people them, come give I'll tell the people them what type of blood clot gift we consent. I'll tell the people what type of bumbo clot give the consent. You have a next set of people where rob the old people in a clean card. You have a next set of people where make from morning till night and make $0 blood clot cent. You have one next set of people where make 150, 160 where them people come kill them because them people appreciate what them a do. Whether them a do positive, whether them a do negative, whether them a do bring down, whether they not sit up and like what they Shibada, you're in the begging blood clot category, you're beg under the scene. What the fuck wrong with you? You're beg under the scene, you're just not we brawling. So when you click your blood clot live and in the people in business and we see give a come and think a genuine give somebody like where you stand and give you move your blood clot and your moderator them you have and demand the blood clot people them. And to the people them no want to get blood clot black, then can do it. And to the people them want to remain as moderator over there, then can do it. And to the people them want when they come by your life, you say auntie, sister, Gillette, Cherry, Berry, Kerry, Ferry, them blood clot do it. Sometimes they last they have. And if you take shame out of them blood clot, yai, Shibada Ramsey them do it. So you can't bring down no girl with a pan like 24 hours. You can't bring down no girl pan TikTok where they over your blood clot beg. You can't bring down no girl pan TikTok where you play a blood clot game. At least the girl them play a game genuinely. But you have your moderator behind the scene that demand the girl them to where they don't even blood clot have. You turn the girl them in a thief. And girl you don't want turn thief, you turn in a thief. Yes. And that is not why we here. We here because you bring down the people and pick me out. We tired. We here because you sexualize the people and pick me out. We tired. That's why we here. That's why we here, Shibada Ramsey. That's why we blood clot here today. We tired. We fucking tired. We not go wait pan. We not go wait pan. We not have a platform. And we can go live. And we Shibada have a misunderstanding.
Alright, my people. So, I could hear somewhere with Sky officer. And then we are going to go over Shibada here where Shibada have for 7 people. Because Macy and Sky, Shibada give it to. You know what I mean? So, we can watch some more and then move on to the next.
I want to do something for Shibada don't agree with it. I want to bring down no blood clot pick me for no talk up. Is it that case because you know have no platform and you know go live? Figure you know blood clot opinion and you Shibada and say eye to eye for Shibada bring down no pick me? Why you know see nothing wrong with what Shibada go on with on TikTok? Eh? Is it that case because you don't go live? You don't have a platform, right? So, you don't give no opinion on Shibada, anybody on the media. See, Shibada can sexualize innocent pitney and talk about innocent pitney is the reason why you see nothing wrong with what Shibada say or go on with on TikTok. Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. How can you sit on that thinking all mash up fridge and talk about somebody 10-year-old like that? How can you sit on your stinking fridge and talk about people, kids day in and day out like that, Shibada Ramsey? You're a capital 0. You're beneath the hurt. You're not even human. 4 or 5 years ago, every girl elevates and look different. Look at you. Nothing elevate or change for you 4 or 5 years. Make we talk about 5 years ago. You've been on the fridge. Bad blessing I take you. Bad blessing Shibada Ramsey I take you. Let me see one elevation. Show me one elevation what you do 5 years ago. I get a lot. The person with the Sky, what you get from cussing, I get a lot. I get to talk my mind. So motherfuckers like you could be in my comment section going crazy for the truth because the truth hurts. Okay, baby? I feel good. I feel like a big body happy mite when me click my platform and telling you how me feel about situation going on the app, because not everybody is brave enough to talk the truth. A lot of you guys over here are followers. You guys know the truth, but because the comment section saying hey or the panel saying hey, you guys agree with the comment section or agree with the panel. So me feel good, I'ma feel nice, I'ma thank Jesus every day. God make people know me, and me have a platform where me can click me live and have a voice and talk my opinion whether some of you motherfuckers agree with me or not. And me thank God me have a platform where me can make people come in on my box and me can hear for them opinion too. What next? Next question. Me say me not agree with Shibada behavior. Me not agree with what Shibada say. And me say Shibada beneath the blood clot earth. And me say 5 years ago take me back. What type of elevation Shibada make 5 years ago till now? After Niam Allah with blood clot parents and ancestors money with in dirty play them when I make blood clot sense. In dirty play them when I make bumbo clot sense. Because looking back at the play them and watch them now, they don't make no fucking sense. Robbery, I wear blood clot robbery. You rob with parents because technology never advanced like now. Because if I did back then, me know my parents them would have blood clot. Never use their money go watch your play. They never have Netflix and the things them like now. Because a robbery, when me I look pan it no make sense. No blood clot sense you no make. Pure fuckery a chat. Pure shit up poop in a clothes you have on. Nothing what you doing at the play them no make sense. Nothing. Make we reason. I'm a vex cause girl I thought me I go always talk my truth. I'm a leader and I'm a talk my fucking truth. Big up my blood clot team. I'm a love how my team stay just like me. Them a leader, them not take program. They have a mind of them own. If me say A and them say B, they must stick to them blood clot B because of that them believe in her. And Sky, you believe in her your A, so stick to blood clot that. Big up my blood clot team. Yeah. Not like Shibada drunk or them when know they have pitney and them would have never want Shibada sexualize their child or them brother or them blood clot sister. But because them a fucking follower, they cannot tell him the fucking truth. Shibada, what you said is wrong. Windshield, thank you, sister. Shibada, what you said is fucking wrong. It wrong. Me not agree with it. Whether I like you or not, it wrong. What would you say about me?
Again, we talked about this already. I'm telling you something.
I know I've been trying.
I know, but
and they just keep coming at me.
Yeah, man, you have to just play some music and just in there. Cause no matter how you explain yourself, no matter where you do, you still gotta have a set of people. I'm not
trying to explain myself. I'm literally at this point, I'm defending myself because he keep coming and his motherfucking peoples keep coming at me, and I never did anything to none of these motherfuckers.
And them not really care because you say, you know what the dumbest thing. Everything what them do only made the situation worse because this just a go force enough to go back even if the thing to go back.
Of course I don't want to go back. Why would I want to go back to somebody that don't even protect me as my man? You supposed to be my man, you don't even protect me.
Like this just made the situation worse.
No female now go back.
If you keep on bully the girl, why not bully the girl all the time like this? Oh, this I gonna make she go back. The girl now don't even consider to go back now because of Uno. None at all she not going to go back because of Uno. It's not even about the situation, but because of Uno bully her. The girl not going to want things to go back. Why somebody want to go back in a situation like this? If you keep on bully the girl. That just not make no sense, bro.
It's like so annoying because it's like he see me on live with somebody, TJ. He go on live with the person. And then start an argument with them and then pretend like I am linking with people that are disrespecting him, that are doing things to him when he know fucking well he was never on live with that guy before until he saw me on live.
Where you need to understand, you need to make peace with yourself. The situation is already done and over with. You understand? You're free to live your life. You're free to link with anybody, talk to anybody, play a match with anybody. You're a free lady. You did get caught up in a situation and it's just a case where you never work out. It just never works.
Like
so
you're still trying to control me and we're not even together.
You're free for do anything. If it's a case where if deep down you plan to go back, then you know you set your local boundaries and then you do what you do. You see me? But
even when they talk about him, TJ.
Well, people, tell me what you think in the comment section. But there's something about this female where, like, she's not really genuine to me. You know what I mean? Me not say Tavi people them nah disturb her and trouble her or something, you know. And me not think Tavi have a huge fan base so we go hard theme like that. Mine a Tavi behind the account them where you think say I'm fans them when I him operate too much account and a bully you and make it look like say I'm fans them I do it. Cause Tavi we do that in a minute and put it past him, you know. You see me I say? So don't be surprised. Check them IP there. You know what I mean? Check the IP them and see if a one place all of them a come from. Cause can King Tavia do it and the fans now do nothing but fans are Ray and Blay. Let me know what to think with people.
I either leave or I tell them to shut up. I always say do not disrespect him, do not disrespect him, do not disrespect him.
Right.
So from the day I met him, I've been defending this nigga and he never protected me. Never. He always come on live. You know what he do? He'll come on live and be like, oh, don't defend my woman or whatever. But when he's disrespecting me, he's loud as fuck. Loud on top of his voice when he's disrespecting me. And when he do his little fake defending me, he defending me with his head down and his voice low as fuck. Yeah. So your voice is not loud when you're defending me, but when you're disrespecting me, your voice is loud as fuck. How can I trust you? Why would I want to be with somebody like that? When he's apologizing to me, his voice is low. You're apologizing to me, your voice is low. But when you are disrespecting me, you're loud as a motherfucker. And you want me to trust you? And then you send your people to attack me. Bitch, fuck you and your peoples then, if that's where we're gonna go. You sent Miss Henry over here to attack me, bitch. Fuck her and all of y'all.
Oh, you know, for me tell you, we have the conversation more than one time. You know, you shouldn't even over here explain. You need for you to cry. Nothing. Yeah, just live your life and do whatever you want to do.
That's what I'm trying to do. But it always keep coming back. He keep coming back. Using people to call me. Using people to do this.
Yeah, and that's a
saying I did something to him. You did something to me too. We did things to each other. Bitch, what the fuck I did? What? Name it. I said, tell me what I did to you. He can't say nothing. He don't have nothing to say. So then why the fuck are you saying I need to apologize to you for what? And then he had the audacity to ask for an apology. Apology? Apology for trying to help you? What apology?
And it's like the people underneath understand and said, even without the relationship status, the man need to work on himself. Him literally need professional help. Me keep on explain to you, with or without Larry, the situation would have still happen. The crash out would have still go on. So I wanna not understand that. This not up the war happen right now, have nothing at all to do with Larry, bro. Nothing at all, literally.
Nobody
literally
cares about my feelings. This is my problem. They don't give a fuck about my feelings. It's my feelings don't matter because I don't have mental health issues. But they don't understand.
DJ, them man,
my feelings does not fucking matter. They don't care. And I don't care if no one cares about my feelings. It's okay. It's okay. Don't give a fuck about me, but just leave me out of it. Don't care about my feelings. Don't care. I don't care if you can. Don't care then. Don't give a fuck about me. Fuck me. Fuck me. But then just leave me out of it then. I don't fucking matter. Okay, cool.
Hello, easy man.
Yeah,
DJ.
So,
them, bro, a long time crash out with that one, brother. I tell me,
and some of them well know that, bro. Some of them well know that.
The man I go through something with himself, brother. I tell you, bro.
And them see it. This not have nothing to do with the girl. So why, bro? We done sister. The man need professional help plus him need to work on himself. But somehow we discuss off the air.
Yeah, dog.
And them still every day you come and you jump and you bully the girl. If you no bully her like this, you think she gonna consider for the back with the man? Oh, that makes sense too, no?
TJ, she not gonna do back with him.
When the girl come over and all cry, bro.
I don't want somebody that doesn't protect me. You don't protect me. You run with narratives to make yourself look like a victim. Why would I want somebody like that? Every time he's going through something, he will sit there and let people say, you will find a better girl, she did this, and you're gonna get somebody that understands you. When this nigga know that I understood him and I tried to help him and everything, and instead of defending me, he sit down there like a victim. Yes, okay. Instead of saying, yo, no, she was there for me. I was the one who fucked up. She was there. She was there offline. She was there constantly. Instead of saying that, he's gonna sit there and let the people them say whatever. And I would have never done that to him. I would have never. I always defended him from day one.
One Nation, go suck your mother and love him alone.
You have time I get that One Nation attention. You have time.
Suck your mother, boy.
I met him, it's all about helping him. And then what I get is, and this is my fucking problem, I'm always trying to help people, and those are the people that always fuck me over. Every time. Those are the people that always fuck me over. Every time.
Alright, so listen what go on. As you can see, you have to just go learn how to tough up now, because this has got happen for a while, You done in the situation already, so you just have to know how to angle it now. Them are going to come for you every day or every other day. As soon as
I'll just block them. Simple as that.
I knew the situation. They keep saying I knew the situation. Listen, they keep saying I knew the situation. I knew the situation and I tried to fucking help and I got disrespected in the process. Okay, and I left. So why the fuck they bothering me then? Why the fuck they coming after me still? And I left.
Yeah, that's why I tell you, say, them go always come.
And another thing to my people, me want to tell more the thing in the comment section, but me don't trust a girl here now. Because I been a say some things from she and Tavi link up. Me been a say, yo, is either this girl here I go left Tavi, or somebody I go take with a girl here from Tavi, or Ray. And see it now, whatever happen, she take with herself long time. Me nah say she should have stay, you know what I mean? Because if a person mentally no 100, you know, best you stay around them, you know what I mean? Because them can do anything, right? But look why me say this add to the disingenuine like pre-men, so me I say she don't genuine, right? This add to it. Look upon her eyes them, people, how them red. I know her natural eyes them, you know. And the filter she have on, the red eye filter. Why would you want to get the thing so dramatic and make it look like say your eyes them, yeah, ball? Cause when you cry for a long period or so, you know what I mean, your eyes them get red and something. So why you want to do that? Why you want to try to prove our? Tell me what you think, my people.
I remember say, an idea, him I go have him people and them I go come at you all the way. And it now go stop for now. Like you literally go down in a history say, you're there with Tavi and all situation come out of it. You understand? So you just you have to know for you. They can't come and cry every minute.
Well,
right?
I was happy on my life. Jayden, you saw me this morning. Did I come on the live talk about no Tavi?
Now I did happy man, I see it. I'm see it in your eyes, man. I see me, I don't know if they give you a blare. I don't know, but you see it seems happy, you see it. But TJ, what you know, at this day one, bro, you see it. She can't ever accompany life every time about, bro. That they want.
Yeah, this is how them life. That's why I tell you, say, I don't need to explain nothing to nobody. Already at this point, I have to make people just run with what they want to run with. If them feel like I hear the situation, okay. So what?
But I did that, TJ. I did that. No, you don't understand, guys. You weren't here. I was on my live, minding my business. He used somebody to call me, and then the person that I was battling, his people was in the other person's live talking. So that's why I thought it was a gang up thing. Him and somebody else called my phone while I was on live battling. And then they said their people over the people that I blocked, they're over the other person's chat. And then he started talking about what they were saying.
Mama, you ever look for your body, you have a firm like your body, mama. You see? Yeah. Firm. No jokes.
No. Stop talking on shit that you don't know about. You don't know.
Yeah, me see her over there. Then if she can see, me tell you now, it's simple. If she feel
you're
like,
a big lady with your own kids and your own family,
like
why the fuck you care about me and Tavi?
Why should I go there with him then? It's simple as that. If the lady they feel like she is the solution,
go do it. Go help him.
Go deal with it, bro. My type of telling you can't. Yes, remember say we trying and all what about try for media. Well, the girl already try half of the app, bro. And you don't understand. Come like you want the girl come and defend herself now and talk things what she not fit talk, and then he might come back and cuss and say, yeah, talk out business. So it's
no,
like
I'm leave it to him. He the only one that's weak enough to talk. I would never do that. He the only one that's weak and talking everything personal stuff. I don't do that. I don't even say nothing.
Show them now. So them are put in a one defensive mood now. When you end up go talk things, them and say, you see, you're not real and you're fake. You did do this for just for clout. I saw them still. That's why I tell you say, it no matter what you explain to them, already, it now go make a difference.
Brother, what you not have, you never have so much view before before you meet she, bro. I tell you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we know that.
Thank
we know
you.
That. Them
when I met Tavi on live, he didn't have a lot of views. He started getting a lot of views because of me and him.
So imagine me and you. Right.
Jayden.
No man, see teacher, see a smile, she have a smile, teacher. The school number, that me there for dog. The school number, you.
Jayden, build a dog.
No, but it's facts. When we started lives together, he did not have a lot of people. I had a lot of American people that watched me. He didn't even have a lot of people. And then they're saying, I want him for clout. What clout? I have friends with millions of followers that I could have used if I want to use somebody for clout. See, I have Jayden.
So you use me? DJ, style.
Yeah, I can use Jayden if I want to.
Hold on, okay, so hold on. I code you talking now. You Rosie,
No,
Yeah, no. Let's entertain Jayden, yeah, cause you know.
No, man, TJ, she not feel ball on them thing, them out.
Yeah, it fuck up, bro. That's why I tell her, you know, if you have to just deal with the situation now, because you got always come and cry, cause them not gonna stop for now.
Yeah.
Remember, you have people, like even me did love the fact that when they're together, we did love the relationship and everything.
Not me, though.
You see me? Go on, Jayden. You have people who genuinely love, but if it just not work out, okay, you know what, anything can happen, the youth need help, as we can see. With the what happen if you down there and the man crash out or something go there.
TJ, ask her before all of this, bro. You see, me say to her, you know, I wonder if when she done there and him go crash out, why it's not gonna be a good look, you know. Me I tell her.
Can them not understand the situation serious, bro?
Serious, man, bro.
Bro, with if Aldari never ever ban, this would have still happened same way, and them need to understand that.
Bro, a long time this a go on, brother. Remember the man come.
A year is it a go on, and that is why I push the man so much.
Bro, remember the man say him have cancer. Where cancer do gone?
What?
Bro, when I time before Aldari, bro, the man crash out and say have cancer, bro. You see?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, so a long time them thing have been a go on, bro. You see it? Aldari the one where Aldari, I'm tell you, him use Aldari if you go say you want go Bellevue or whatever, bro. You see it?
No, we're not gonna say him use him. They actually like her for true.
Yeah, me no mean use, teacher. Me no mean like use.
Oh.
I mean like she, I would have be like a motivator like to go Bellevue. You see it?
Well, yeah, you can call it that. Cause the man want the help for true, bro. And we are cheer for the man to get help. As long as we talk to the man, we try for we go some deep conversation with the man, bro. And that is why I keep on I tell Aldari, stop coming. You don't need to clear no name. You don't need to explain.
No, I wouldn't clear my name, TJ. I was just cussing the bitch out. That's what started it, the bitch. And then he called me. He used somebody's phone to call me while I was on live.
This man in him called her?
Yes, he called me while I was on live. I didn't even know it was him. I just answered, and then he started. They heard it, and then I had to mute the live, and then I see the bitch come over in his live. So they basically ganged up on me. And then when I started cussing the lady, when I started cussing her out, she's gonna say, see how she's acting. She's the problem too. She's the problem too. And I said, bitch, did I tell you I give a fuck if you think I'm the problem, ho? I don't give a fuck if you think I'm the problem, bitch. Did I look like I give a fuck? If you want me to be the villain, bitch, I will be the villain. I don't give a fuck.
Simple.
You think I'm afraid of people saying I'm a bad person or I'm this or I'm that? Bitch, do I look like I give a fuck? Like I don't. I don't care.
Yeah, and that's the attitude they have to have. Because them are always come at you, Aldari, no matter what you do.
If you think, she's so bad because she told me to fuck off, and I'm going to tell you to fuck off 10 more times, bitch.
Sometimes, no, the internet thing, no, dog. I swear to God, them people are just weird, bro. And them literally, some of them don't even care about the situation. Them just like the drama about it. Them don't even care about you. Them don't even care about Taffy, if you tell you the truth. Them just like the drama. Them like when, as what Jayden and say, you come on the live now and I cry and all them something there. And that them want. Them literally want that. Them wouldn't mind they cry every day they come.
That's crazy work. I'm just gonna... It's fun.
I don't know nobody bully off for the internet. If you don't want to come off, you don't have to come off. You don't have to take no break nor nothing. You're up to you. Your choice that. If you want to stay, you stay. If you want to take a break, you take a break. You just have to know, say, if you stay, say, just prepare for them. Because they're going to come again. This is not going to be the last, not Aldari. They're going to come back next week. They're going to come back next month. It only going to stop when something new happens.
Damn, ever since I met this nigga, I don't know no fucking peace. The fuck? I was in my little bubble. Peace.
People, me not lie. If she genuine, I get bullied by Tavi and him people. me wish, you know what I mean, better for her, either them stop bullying her or she overcome it and even pay no attention. You see me I say, and she can focus on she right through. You know what I mean? So me know how to think my people and make you watch someone then move on to the next.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I see him drink, me master. Aye.
Yeah.
I tell
Hear
him.
that?
What that mean? What you mean? Come boss. What do you mean by that?
I talk about the whole situation with she though, bro. See it.
So, yo. Are you the man?
DJ, man, the ball and can't continue, man. He can't continue.
The problem is he's mad because he knew I was real to him. He knew I was really there for him, and he lost that, and now he mad.
Change the number.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna change.
Watch there, I'll let me something now. So the girl have to change her number over one city. You see, and that me I try to show people now, bro. This is so for all who really concerned about the whole situation, relationship wise. Me I tell you no straight up, bro. This one make the girl have to change number. The girl come on live and cry. This now go make sure want the back with the man, even when him get better. Because so forget about them now. It's all about uno people in the comments now. Only can't bully the girl so she feels so fuck up and come a ball, reach a point where she change her number and them something there. And the girl that live her normal life before, why should I want to go back now? That's why I keep on telling so what I do only make the situation worse. You feel like you not help, but you not help. You not help. I bet you know the DMR or something. You not help. Me I tell you that. You have make the situation completely worse. That woman this morning, you only make the situation worse.
But you hurt me.
What? I'm just over it. I'm over it. I just want it to be done with. Like, yeah, miss love, guys. Love can't save this situation. It's bigger than love. It's bigger than missing somebody. It's bigger than me.
But you see,
it's
that's
bigger
the thing,
than him.
You see, people make it sound like say the whole situation is about relationship. This have nothing for no relationship. If it was that, if you say when they did that, and then there's a case where somebody get born. And then you not go through no problem, fine. But this is one serious, like it's a mental situation, bro. We're not going like say it's a man and woman story. If I did one little man and woman story, then we'd understand. Then we could have pushed her and say, yo, I'll give you a chance, or vice versa, Tavi give girl a chance. You see me? But that's not the case. That's why I tell you, say, even if Aldery never exists today, bro, the whole crash out situation would have still happened.
If you can't change the man, change the man.
And that's what I did. I'm trying to move on. Please allow me to leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Like, and if you guys disrespect me, I'm gonna disrespect you back. What the fuck you think this is? I was born and raised Jamaican. I don't know why you guys think.
You see what I try to ship? Some people don't hear one dream. If Maya left you, would have talked to Ivany. This is what I try to, bro. You just say some people. Yeah, them stupid. Cause them, you see, can't even bother. It even makes sense.
Of course you took my kindness for weakness. A lot of people always take my kindness for weakness and they think, oh, they Kiraro, she's so nice.
You did my coach.
Can you shut up?
Alright. Where Rosa? Where Rosa there?
Yeah, where is she? Come get him.
You can't come on the internet and cry over this. You have to just know now, say, yo, this is a part of your life.
Tough up yourself, man, is it?
Yeah, the crying thing not gonna work out for you.
I'ma just go. The thing about me is when I get in temper, I cry because I can't hit the person that I want to hit. That's my problem. Like, when I get upset, if I'm upset with somebody and I can't grab them, I'll be crying.
Yeah, also my state too.
When I get in temper, I just cry because I can't do nothing.
I know somebody who stays so too.
Who? Who?
But mama, you go good, yeah, man. You see.
Yeah, eventually it's gonna stop. But you just have to know, say, I don't know, so you have to just know to deal with it.
Yeah. That's my problem. Every time I get in temper, I cry because I can't hate the person or I can't let it out, so I just cry. It's better I cry. But anyways, I don't want to talk. I came on this live not to talk about him. I don't know why we talk about him.
Yeah, go on do your thing.
I'm gonna go because now I'm just mad. The vibe is gone.
Go and play a match and do what you do. You need your plan for go live and do your live stream. Go and do your live stream. Go and do your live stream.
Who know if I go find new love out there? You don't know.
Jayden, take me down. As me jump him, you make him jump.
I go jump the first. Yo, TJ. Alright, me going to.
I don't know, guys. I just right now I'm traumatized. I just gonna stay by myself. Like I just want to stay by myself, and I just want the situation to be done. Like I don't want to be in no drama. I don't want no.
One son I want that. One son that I have. One son I want that time I have. I look at him and say man was clean. I look at you. You live by yourself. You come like I'm a big goat in a goat pen. You come like I'm a big hog in a hog pen. You come like I'm a dog in a dog house. That's how you live. No blessing I go follow you, bro, because your energy dirty. Your surrounding dirty. God tell us the cleanliness is next to godliness. In the think. You're a young boy, if you fix up a place drunk, no matter where you live, how you treat it. Sweep out and wipe out and make it floor look clean. And fold up your things and put up a bed and neat up a place. You just have a place through and chaka, so you have an ambition. You behave just like how you look, chaka. That's how you behave, just like how you look, chaka. You know your boy will love sweat. You know what? When you look around, when you play live stream and wipe your face, bro, look appropriate. So when I look a white woman can see a foreign and like you look a black melanin. I say I him like a boy, I'm going to try with him. Nothing appropriate. You look like a madman. I'm going to know if they're free to tell you the truth. And when they send their line and then this go gear over there, why you never take you go buy something? Why you never take you and pay about the truck man then? Sister say what truck man liar. Eh? You come as a continue like I'm a dirty dog shit. You told a lie. And you tell a lie because you want to get people kind of get people money if you go buy rum.
Alright, my people. Make you watch some more here. What JABASS have to say about Frass. Is what I say? Make you watch some more, my people.
And ganja. Be special. I want to hear fuck around now when I'm in that camp and video call and show me in our bar. In our bar already. I sweat like a hog. And I wipe my face with tissue. Who wipe my face with tissue any time, yeah? Your face a body? Eh? Not even napkin, tissue. You know wipe my face with whole life full of white. And that's him who give a blood clot ears, as I tell you. I mean, I don't talk. I said, no man, make say low dog, man. I say low dog. I swear, man, I'm not gonna lie. I say, yo, I say low dog. You hear the same come from my place, you want that box. But cool, we are here. You see me? I'm tell you that, I say, yo, low dog, bro. I say, good man. I say, low. You can't do him, I do. You see me, bro? I'm like, bro, I'm not feeling like a lie, man, telling that. I'm gonna show you, bro. See that, bro? I'm not telling a lie, dog. Look. See, woman, I'm full of a tissue give me. See, woman, take off a tissue give me, so, brother. Woman, still give me tissue. See that? I'm say things say that, say, yo, leave easy back that. I'm say, love him, bro. I'm not telling a lie, dog. See, pussy there. A tissue ain't got that people place a big tissue. If you wipe your face, a big dirty gruff. Waste man that you look on this up. See it there. I see caption. Look at the see caption. But he does say, leave me easy back. I'm say, love him, man. He good, bro. You see me? I mean, no say, yo, I fuck him, I fuck around, bro. You see me, I'm not serious. I fuck him, I fuck around, but in my play, because everybody has to me say, yo, dog. They know, say, I fuck him, I fuck around, and them I prank people, them, bro, forget them kinds, bro. But it a fuck with your thing, brother, make it like I say, you see me? Because I don't have to say, me get any old car already, bro. And then you come no about old blood clot fridge. Me get your fridge, they take up your fridge, dirty, batty, man, they take up your fridge. Yeah? What you mean by you know what to do? What you mean by that? Better you go on in a lady. Better you go on, better you have a nice day here. But you know what to do. Let me tell you, have a nice day. Well, you know what to do. Have a nice day. Now I'm going to come back and comment. Have a nice day, man. You know I'm going to come back and comment. Have a nice day, here. Hey, G, big up yourself. When I cross by your pussy. And none of the boy can size up in my blood clot legs when they come out to household things and vehicle my blood clot jive and my clothes them. I'm a little savings. None of them. Now crop boys. And that me I tell you no. So when I come and say, we don't know story. We don't know how taking people them kind of go blood clot by ganja with the batty boy. Nobody come and say, come go ramp up with my name. And every time you realize you talk about the 48, here you understand I use my game. They may have 48,000 and you know say I pay for them. But you give the people an impression like a buy a bite, bro. You have the two-way talking, you have the two-way talking. That you have the two-way talking like say, yeah, make it sound like say, yo, I don't pay for them, and I make it sound like I pay. So who don't really understand and know the story, I got feel like say I pay for them, bro. Cause you know what you do. You know what you do, bro. Use it, brother. Make no five people feel like I say, I buy, no, you give me no money, batty boy. But take the money from your pussy. When we sensible people, bro, people that have sense, I gotta know say, listen, I know so you go. And because enough of them not rate me now, bro. Let's say enough of them always come with if you say them I use that situation that you show me, bro. Like say it I go do me nothing, bro. You know what I mean, bro? Me like have this life, I mean I say no now, no, yeah, so get in and brain every day, me tell you no. When me like have this life, bro, me not say no now, no, yeah, so me see me baby and me baby mother and me dog there. Me not see no now, no, bro. Me go out the road, this brother, me go to my club, me not see no now, no, bro. So when you come here, I don't come in, like nothing to me, bro. Cause first thing, me not like read, me dance. I read when me want to read. And that's the reason why I come over TikTok, bro. More while the people are staple them if you send me video, bro. I staple them. Ask the moderator, bro. More while them if you call me and tell me say this a go on, that a go on. Me no sit down and scroll up on TikTok, bad man. Me no sit down and scroll up on TikTok when you see me come off in idea, brother. Because I know it a go trigger me, cause no look screen record and I go there. No this a go there, no that a go there. So me no watch TikTok, bro. When you see me come over this and no brother, me no depend on scroll through. More when I listen to me so argument with Jayden I watch. And me say I would them there. And me say I that and that. And me say I what happen, he tell me what happen, I laugh about it. And if me say something want cloud, me can get piece of fight. Me jump up same time and go take me live and go take inside cloud. Cause me like the cloud. Me love the cloud. So when me see cloud, me run go for it. You see me I say, you can't make it cloud left you. If it cloud left you in a trouble. You understand me? Come here, boy, me like the club, and my cloth left me. Especially when the cloth then within my reach. When the cloth over cheesERe, me not try to go in it. You see me? Yeah, dog. I tell him no brother. Bad man just do what you do your time. If you find a way out to take people them kind, brother. But nobody every day you get up. Every day you get up, you make content about fridge. You have fridge in your background, bad man. Me tired of you know you. Tell the people them say money where them a give you, bad man. A ganja you take it by brother. And smoke up and Frass up and hungry like a dog. And then you go to a man shop and trust mackerel, and trust rice, and trust half stick of butter. And you get money could buy food, but you choose to go buy rum, gambling pan poker box and buy but be a high grade ganja, be a tangy. Be a tangy. And when you're Frass no hungry, you lick your blood clot, you gonna trust. And that's what the people them say. You know, say make you take your money and go buy something, brother. And go buy one mattress. And a king size mattress you buy. So you can go buy one double top, one pillar top mattress downtown. Or anywhere you there. For one little $35,000-$40,000. You see me I say, bro, how much lion I get what you out of a situation when you have to the light in for me? How much lion I get? Who will live? And what if I give? Where you buy out of it? Where you buy out of it, bro? Why did you come back and tell the people them say, me make you spend $48,000 and not get nothing, and this and that and that and all free. Where you get out of them the lion that when me see people who are saying you? And celebrity baby over there give you like a ras. That's my friend. Where you get out of where you buy out of it, to show people them say, oh God, you no sorry for me, I don't give me no money. See me go buy something here. See me go buy one little stove top there. See me go buy one cylinder there. At least one stove top. You should have buy out your money there. Dirty, nasty, blood clot. At least one stove top. You should have buy out like the money there where you get. If I even one stove top about $8,000 for his stove top itself. And the cylinder about $7,000. That's what 8 and 7 hours, 15. Eh? Nothing. And you come and you go on with your fuckery. And you see what you do, you clean up the fridge and put them back the door. Remember you make a video and burn out the thing, you know, and go on and tell be a lie, you know, and you look sorry for, you know. And then you put them back the door, you plug in and it's cool. And then you come out, anytime you ever talk about the fridge, you plug out, you make it like it's not cool. I don't know, do to it. Eh? See, they say where they have 5,000 for one foot, 5,000 for one this and that. When they come and tell them I give you money, see, Bookie come and tell them I give you $50,000. Where they get it? Mr. This man say I'm going to help you. Two of them are going to make up and give you something. They get it? That's a style. And that's their style when they promise us to give you. That's a style. None of them give nothing yet. They just use your thing to get local clothes off of them side and send them out for that shit. You don't style you, then you style yourself and you wait and you come here and tell you straight up, I say bad man, you box shop for too much and the thing they already have gone. But I'll give one you number, link him and find out where him have if you know who you want to go and feed. That's what I did, bro. I tell you. Son like me tell you say, yeah man, come feed them down when you come down here down. I tell you, say, you take too long and the thing them gone. But short you would have found the film still have nothing down the way I give it. And that me do, bro. So how me style you, bro? Someone not really listen with understanding that. I don't just watch it have no much you not like me, bro. And me was not like you know, because I don't know the friend away. I don't find no pussy think. I don't find no more think. I don't find no girl.
The boy named Odin. I me see attack. And the boy there will jump out of Macy pocketbook and come to me. Eh? Macy that hurt if I'm still. Oh God, Macy. From 2000 and about 800. From 2000 how much? What? 800. Macy remember Macy. Oh God. A long time you hate me then. Macy, me never apologize. I beg. Oh, did he carry your money come to me? I beg. Oh, did he drive your vehicle come look for me? I beg. Me say, oh, did you tell me to remember that? But then me say, oh, did to you? I say, oh, did go on. Me say, oh, did from your mingle, me can't mingle, go on. Then that's your talk about me, say, oh, did buy me. And that's what hurt me. He said, oh, did you talk? Remember all them send back all the to him saying, don't want you. Remember me send him around him. And he talk, oh man. Yes, remember him drive your rental, come give me your money. The boy drive your rental. The only reason why I never take the boy, you should me here say, him did there with you. Yeah, but we just collect him things, remember? Oh my God, me see. Oh my God, you didn't remember that. Me not even remember that girl a long time me I beat you. Me see a long time me I win you, man. You should have never remind me about that. It wasn't that serious. It wasn't that serious, me see. It was never that serious. When me send my the boy, me say no, sir. No, me a star. Me can't mix nor mingle. The boy say, hey, me don't want that ugly girl there. Me say she touch me on my foot, you see her finger them favor eagle. Me say me never know, sir, in here. The boy they carry your money, come give me when me no want it. They don't really that you talk about. come better than that, me. See, the boy visit me yard with him brethren them. Him full up me yard like dancer keep. Sometimes he thinks at GP. Him bring things to my pick shoes and refuse. Him always want to keep me comfortable, me say. Say me that give me anybody just to me telling me yes. Then not that a mad yo? Oh my, dry your eyes, dry your tears, me say. And that's why you hate me. It wasn't that serious, girl. It wasn't that serious. And that shit have me up far. More than the boy just use a car and carry money, come give me nothing more. Remember thief it. Thief from thief for them say, God love. Yeah, it wasn't that serious. I'm gonna send him back. Cause him friend them better to me. Yeah. Him friend them better to me. Me see come with something good. Cause you go like you're that girl. You go like you have been that girl. That's why I tell you say I buy man. Remember say the boy drive your vehicle without license. Carry your money come to me. Him could have never run joke with my vehicle, so after me not so close. Yeah, come better than that, me say. Come better than that, you should be ashamed. I never remember that, you know. I never remember that because it never leave no mark. More than you rob the people and the boy rob you carry come give me. I'm just a flaw, so long you hate me. Me say so long you come here. Little most me knock you over here. Little most might be the cause that you're going home. Little most might be the cause that you're going home. Me that buy her a drink out her own money. Me that buy her a drink, you go like you're that girl. And that's why me know you buy body me say. Buy body me say, you walk and boy buy things in a uniform. You can't wait to hear the bell go ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Remember, me not that you really get me from the boy never want you. Eh? I mean the boy pick and refuse you. I mean the boy pick anything with bland up with you. Can't come around me. I mean the boy pick. I'm really sending back to you and you really have me up. Me can't even remember the year, the date. Huh? You should have never bring up that girl. Cause all your phone cook money where you didn't have a country, your livestock. The boy bring that come give it to him. Remember your mind man viciously. It wasn't that serious. And the boy tell me say you have livestock. The boy fly him out down, remember me no know no me I want no friend. Yeah. So come now. Make one reason, make the whole we talk. Then I never know. And the boy make me know say you have livestock. Yeah. And the boy make me know say you gamble every day and all you want a company, you just want somebody to stand up there. And the boy make me know that. Remember me don't know them something the boy lay down and tell me all of the things them and I said, I also laugh at this. Anything I want the boy give me. Anything at all I want the boy give me be gifted, so sometimes me don't want nothing. You know how much of your money can you and them drink out? Not to mention mudfish. You know how much of your money? If I me like you may eat them.
Alright, so for the people who are interested for you what go on with Shibada and Macy, that I go on. They say, I say more did they, but me just go to that they look a preview there for those who, you know what I mean, interested in that. No, I mean, I go to some more. I go watch some more.
You know how much of your money? Remember a man mash you up, you know? Remember a man mash you up? Me don't know how a year man and he just in my inbox so me ask her who. But me know say me have a friend we know him. And him ask them about me. Yeah, I saw comes cousin in my inbox, Even up to today, the boy tell me say him forget me. Up to today, me say, where must I say to you? Where must I say to you? Up to today, and I think the boy they are prison. Up to today, where you say? Go on ya. Bye bye. Yeah, you can't. Me say this is my father. Me not have no makeup on no wig and my titty them flat. Like me is a butch. And me a beat you with flatty. Me a beat you with flatty and nobody. Me say this and we never see this yet. At this I beat you. Me say just give me my win. I won on yes, I won.
At this time, see the 8 rows. Cause long time so we not go school. Nah, do don't work. In a business.
You cannot say that, Annie.
You
cannot say that.
Annie doesn't have a fixed address, which
Thank
I don't
you.
explain.
Thank you.
Rosealee have a fixed address, and it don't have a fixed address.
One place
They can't find her. That is the difference with she and Rosealee.
Right.
Rosealee have a resident.
Yes.
Annie don't have a fixed address. She's a toad or a frog which jump from parish to parish, country to country.
Hear me. Nisha, easy to catch Annie. Go in a DM and offer her money. And meet up with her. Easy. They love money. Love of money. That's how money them want. Trick them.
Don't make she trick people. And me find out that.
Them now do them work. Them now go dig deep. Them for dig deep.
And
if
I check the other system, she has not made any report about any threat. There's not a single report. Let's make she can show the paper and all the evidence. She's too lie and she need to stop telling lie for the government them down there.
People money.
Thank you very much for
that.
They need to stop it, man.
Yes, this will open the people them I make to know say lie. Because one of them people realize that I need to tell
Them
lie.
I now
People know that.
Them I don't not going to be open. Cause from them love that person, them are give them. Them just fearless like them.
Yeah. And if she continue, then the ministry will start watch her. I rather call people over here, interview them, so enlighten and upon them.
That's right. That is it.
Right, definition.
Right, that's all.
They need to stop it.
Stop it, man.
And see there just want snow say this yellow. What do no walk on climb fence and jump like a bad man now look for and look for the pitney. Pitney need help we are ball out to Zoe right now.
She told lie.
And the other one too.
The lion and the wickedness. Make she go and go click her live and
next little girl, yes, a little girl with a knock up stone. Come on, man. Save that little girl, man.
But remember, sir, I named the call pan that already.
I lie, you tell.
Watch her. I named the call pan that already.
Yeah. Here lies. Me tired of them people and the lies.
I named the call pan that already.
And you know them that do need time, they tear down the country, like
because people who don't know. People who don't know go say, wow, them sitting here really are going to Jamaica and think it's true. Because they're on a public platform that people depend it globally speaking and talking about this thing.
And I'm telling a lie. I'm not pick up your rose because you fuck up. But I fuck up more than rose to blood clot.
I think so.
Cool.
I think so.
Them to go out and go out for rose. That's the truth, me at all.
Yeah, rose picking them go school.
Hypocrite, brother.
True.
Rose pick them to go school.
Too much, man. But anyway, me in the comment section.
Yes, thank you. And then they need to stop those foolishness, man. Sometimes they make the country look
me I forget my rest, man. I forget my sleep. You know, I just for sleep.
You forget, Nisha, you forget the people where you add the link with it and make them come back for your life, yeah?
It's bad, man. It's really bad, man. Come in, man.
And I go carry my family. Me no box.
No, man. Educate them. They don't have to make nobody know who them is. Educate them. Come and let them do something there. Got too much taxes. It's better up. At least you can entertain some people and get brain, make them brain wide open to see what's going on.
True. People just don't care about Annie. Nobody no believe Annie.
Man, me not know my
People take it for joke, you know.
Yeah, they take it for joke. They don't take her serious.
Yeah, but even so, you know, Monica, you take something for a joke, you know, you have to remember, say, these are things you're putting out in the public, you know. Most people don't even know that, you know. So you see, even if we as Jamaican know, what about a person who's not Jamaican, who is trying to learn the culture, who try to understand, and who even don't understand what that's a Jamaican. You're not going to look at it in a negative way, and then need to stop that.
Yes.
They need to stop that. You can't be spreading all of them allegations and lies.
It's fine to me, see the lazy. I don't care nobody wants.
You know, see a public mischief she make?
Yes. Of course.
Yes.
And she herself not even know what she doing. Stop it.
The police can have her tell her to bring in her child. If the CD can go on her. Come out from most wanted.
The last time Annie said CD come up at the yard, so in a run. You cannot say that, pretty neat. You still cannot blame the people them. You cannot do that.
But why should I?
And a serious note. I'm telling you the truth.
They make her first she run away.
So them should lock up Annie
until Rosalie kids them they get take away. Remember that.
Them should lock up Annie until she come out. Put on pressure.
Then when you think says so they are coming to Annie. Should have
rub when you talk, you see the thing is when you talk these things, you know, they say, oh, you know, with them and them bad my life, what the fuck on off?
That's true.
No, but dirty careless blood clot life out there on the media. You only talk about no influencer. What the fuck on no influence?
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. Because I check say the people them did already. You know what I mean? Link up with Annie and Annie said everything was okay and this and that and way. So me did I wonder them the time that when Annie said the people them link up with she, how them not come to a solution for this picnic I got school. Because that are the number one priority, and me know say the government now go have a situation where a youth now go school and thing and don't make the youth start even a private school or somewhere. Seeing, but when me not hear nothing more about it, me I say, oh, and they get that the type of leniency there where other people now get. You see me I say, what's so special about Annie? So now here the people them I say Annie I move up and down all over the place. That's why them not catch up with she yet. You know what I mean? So me see the solution. No, me see the reason. Me see the reason why every minute Annie gone a different place gone live. And me because of the same Zoe situation. You know what I mean? But I hope if any little thing when she try to left the country, them sort her out. You see me? Yeah, because you can't be such careless. You know what I mean? Such a careless mother like that. Where you have your youth and you make sure you take man before you make sure you take her book. Because here, come say, Annie, me don't know what truth it is, because you know cuss to bring nothing good, but come say, Annie and the pitney them go a man yard where I deal with Zoe, if you go beat up the man or something like that. You know what I mean? But the number one priority you're supposed to have, you go in school or learn some type of skill. You see me? Come on, man. Me don't like, but people let me know what I think.
Right.
Nothing with sense.
The breed of pitney and send them to school. What do you mean?
Sit down and pitney in a house now go get some education if you have sense little more in a life. And people can't have them all about like an idiot.
Not even Alex in the same school and he say Alex have a disability. And he's slow. And not even the little boy you can send go a one school to get one trade and catch up in local reading slow, and selling skills.
If he's slow, you have places in Jamaica for them.
Of course they have it. Of course they have it, Nisha. That's how women know. They have it.
How much kids Annie have? 5 or 6?
6.
I don't even know. Where's their dad?
I don't know.
So Annie just breed all by himself without father?
Zoe father, they want small island.
And one time it's ever since Zoe father.
But Zoe is not
small island.
It's like for everybody. It's like for everybody. Where they are. What their father there? They're fatherless?
Zoe father, they have one small island.
That's the way the mother said.
Okay, that is so one. So what the rest of
them?
them?
No, the father talked to me. I said the father was on the video.
When him
So
go
one
pick
daddy
up
for every
Zoe,
father, every picnic, and one daddy for every picnic.
it looks so.
But Mika daddy there.
So why she don't send Zoe to her father, Bahamas, if she can't manage Zoe? God, when girl picnic and boy picnic
The
touch
day when
13,
Zoe father
13,
come
14, you
here.
know, them time they
Hello.
don't need a father
You see
figure
the
in them
day,
life.
the day when Zoe father was coming to pick her up, and it was on the live the morning. Remember like yesterday, and she said she no want going, but I just choose like Annie never have no stay, but for stay when she was there. That's why the father did come take. So me no know why Annie.
I know when the picnic want. I know when the picnic want. And that's the problem. But what you have to do?
So she not understand it's not about her, it's about the kids. And a lot of parents tends to do those stuff, you know, and let it be about them when it's about the kids and the kids get a better future. You don't need to be with the parent. You just need to do your part as a parent and let the parent do their other part.
My brother did well. My mother did well. 6 away.
So okay, so Zoe father, what about the man who came out the other day? That him in Portland and same for Alex. He want to own Alex. Because now Jamaica upgraded that they do DNA tests. Everybody get their rightful parents and dad. Parent, mother and father. So why they not do a DNA? That man say him feel say Alex is his. Why Annie don't give it? Why Annie hide the kids them from them daddy?
Instead don't want to talk about that one.
Because she want to hustle for the kids them.
But the kids
she want also with the kids. And that not nothing to do with Annie. And money Annie a look.
A 3 years
God. Your champ said the man in a Barbados is not Zoe father. Then who is Zoe?
God. I not tell you no same thing.
So who are their father? So Annie just have them picnic and no father where she go out a clinic to get all them something injecting her. And just have the kids them.
I wonder if Annie knows said enough different sperms to make her smell bad.
Of course.
God, then do the test and enough him. My God, yeah, that why me so come with circle.